All you need for this simple flower ribbon tutorial is a strand of ribbon that is about 10 to 12 inches long. Grab a spool of ribbon and follow along with the tutorial. Make as many little flowers as you need. Cut a piece of ribbon that is about 10 inches long. It can be a little shorter or longer, the exact length doesn't actually matter that much. Make a long basting zigzag stitch through the whole ribbon. Then you want to pull on the thread to gather the ribbon. Now you want to vertically roll the ribbon around itself to create a clump of petals. And then you want to stitch through the base to secure the shape. And you're finished.